golly gosh. That's very irritating. My saliva and elbows go together. What makes it a hand? Oh, I forgot. You're our classmate. This is the parole wherein it lights to the darkness of the earth in the surface of the below of the earth. And this is the blocks wherein we stand, we walk, we sit, and we make pee, and we make poo, and we make pa, or pee. Yeah, like that. And this is a nail, not this, because this is a nail in the hands. This is the nail in the garbage. I mean, in this. Come. Welcome to my crib. This is my sala, wherein there's no sit in there.
Furniture.
Furniture. This is the pictures. Can you see? You can see it. There's the pictures. Okay. And this is the door. This is the cement wherein we walk through the door. In there. And there's the chandelier. No, not the windows. This is a
Paula, the candles.
They heard the talk. This is a ladder. Chop the box. We're in these light bulbs. This is a chair where we sit like this. Not like that. This. Also. This is very special.
Sorry.
No. In my house, there's no fan. This is the light. There's a candles. Because there's my birthday in the 18th year.
Ay, bawal na.
12 plus 6. Yeah, 8. And then there's 18. This is a big stick I will use.
Hannah.
My mother
This is the reception I'll be using for December 21 marriage proposal.
The stairs of learning. This is not like you must respect it not like this. But like this. Oh, there's a ghost. Please. Oh, you're just a maid. Okay.
Make it okay.
Okay, please stop it. This is a maid, not me, okay? I'm the focus. We walk. Thank you. Please okay. Look, tabi mo. Oh, this is my maid. My other maid. Look at the camera.
Ouch. Hi, I'm very sorry about my friend. She's just got out of the mental facility. Let's go look at her and see. She's harassing our maid, for heaven's sake. And now look what's happening to our maid, damn it. Look at that. Look, you see that?
We put things here.
Oh, you see that? She's kissing the wall, for heaven's sake. Write me a river
Not the
dance.
nail in the body, but nail for the furnitures and the other door.
This is mayhem. This is madness. This is disturbance. This is destruction. And look what she's wearing. Thank you. This is my fan. Plastic lang yan. Huwag ka maniwala. Sira ulo lang yan. Medyo napaka-syunga.
Post ka nga dyan. I will post. There's a picture. Sige, si May.
Oh! I love it.
is shouting.
And now, I will be using that reception for the wedding of me and my dear sweet Griselda. Let's go back to my crazy best friend.
From me. No. This is the tree. We climb. This. Yeah, it's ready.
I interrupt this program for a special announcement.
Commercial, please. Commercial.
A special announcement that these two people have been caught by the mental.
Oh, let's go, let's go.
Tama na, tama na.
These two people are not connected to...
Wait, or pupu.
If you see them, please contact the authorities.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh. This is my house.
If you see two girls being crazy in Ayat Filipino, please contact the proper authority. Like this, if you see a person like that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you and a good day. Arrivederci.
I'm dancing in the railroad. That's the bus wherein we join, we ride, and we sit, we talk, we play for the economy of
Do not believe anything she said. She's not supposed
Let's go, let's go.
Well, part of it is
Dambana
true.
ng paghilom.
Yeah. This is where I play. I play Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down.
Sino marunong mag-juggle?
Then Jack and Matt.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yung balik ko, mama! Yung balik ko! This is the rock. Sunod kita kayo dyan. These are the rock.
Close up, close up.
These are rock.
Ang balik ko!
These are the rock.
Nangungutang lang yan!
These are the rock.
Utang kayo yan!
These are the rocks. How to kill for you.
That? Ma'am, yung balik ko, ma'am! Walang pinay!
Hoy!
This is my garden. Wherein the gardeners.
Hoy! Paula video, mamumula.
And there's Madam Hoy sumasabi. She's stuck in the boys in the circle. You know, this is the room. Ay!
Paula.
Ano ka ba? I see.
Okay guys, listen again.
Thank
Kaya yan.
We'll listen. No.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.